Welcome back to Supermariodiagnostics. Once again, we're going to do a super quick tool review of the latest smoke machine that I've gotten. It's an upgrade from the old one that I had, the Mrcartool. This one is from Mrcartool. Got it on Amazon. Smoke detector T130. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. The most noticeable thing right off the bat is it is extremely lightweight. The other one was a little bit heavy. This was the one before that. It is much heavier. And yeah, felt it was time to get a new one because, well, I dropped it and the knob broke. But it is pretty heavy. It's been through its paces, but decided it's finally time for an upgrade. It comes with better battery clamps. It does come with a bit of a short span. I do have it already kind of like stretching out there. But all in all, it comes with a nice kit too. It comes with a pretty extensive kit with plugs and whatnot, and with its own bladder as well, which I am using for this vehicle. So we've got right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it to use. I like to make it a normal thing to bring this to the minimum flow amount possible, because this thing will pump up to like 15 psi, just like its predecessor did. It's not the same company, but it could be the same manufacturer, I don't know. Let's go ahead and see if we can find this leak over here. Actually, I already did. Point is, this thing is just as good as the one that I had before it, and if this one ever breaks, I have a backup. But I gotta tell you, the weight alone is huge. Like it weighs nothing. So I know some people will, you know, have that complaint about this one. It is a little hefty, and that hook, that's the only thing. There's no hook on this one. It's more of a bench type setup, but works just fine for me. You can see it right there. Nice. Usually you don't want to point the light right at the smoke because it might veil a little bit, but this smoke it has no problem when you face it directly at the smoke. And there is a hose. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you guys. There's a hose way back there that is leaking, and I'm gonna have focus issues. There it goes, right there. That's it right there. You see that clamp all bent up? That is our smoke. Not bad, not a bad kit at all. Pretty happy with it. I've yet to overheat it. There is an overtemp alarm where it will shut it down automatically to protect the compressor that's inside. That's the biggest perk right there, is that you don't have to put a compressor on it. It does have a master switch. We got a updated power cable compared to the old one, where the old one you did have the bananas right there. Those banana plugs, 4mm banana plugs, which is, it can be nice because you can put wherever you want. You can always replace them, but you can also do the same with this. So nice little upgrade there. I put it through its paces. So far so good. It's not like I just got it and haven't used it and I'm making a review that way. This is something I've been using day in, day out ever since I got it. So pretty happy with it. Check them out. I think it's worth the time. If you're in the market for a smoke tester, this is not a bad buy at all. Go check them out. I got it on Amazon for around 300 bucks. Not bad. I love that the prices are going down for these things. They used to be like $1,500 minimum for any smoke machine. So, hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. Super quick review, and I'll catch you on the next one.